way, thank you Zuru for giving us another Zuru Smashers. Oh, this is so amazing! This time it's a Zuru Smashers Mega Light Up Dino over 25 surprises. Now let's open it up. By the way, the hottest Smashers ever. These are the hottest Smashers ever. Oh, I can't believe it! This is so amazing! This. These are the things that's inside the little volcano. I will open the mini one first. Let's open it up. I wasn't supposed to do this. Look, this is... I really like the unbox. This is what's inside the mini Smashers. This is what I got from it inside. It's the amber slime. It's the head and the tail. I think the other body parts are in the rest of the pieces. It's like these. So let's proceed to the next one. I'm going to do the lava slime. The other pieces. These are the feet and the legs. The lava slime is so satisfying and good, but it's a little bit sticky. To open the mini light up dino. This is the collector's guide. You could get the T-Rex and the Stegosaurus. And you could also get the Spinosaurus like we got. Whoa! Let's open this. I look like this. These are the stuff inside the big dino egg. We got We got Mega Light Up Dino, Stretchy Foam, Lava Slime, Color Change Sand, and we also got Fishing Lava, and we also got some eggs. I'm going to start with the eggs first, because I think that's nice. I'm going to hatch the eggs now. I got a mini dinosaur. It's so small. It's a baby. We got a glow-in-the-dark dinosaur. Next one. We also got another dinosaur like a ball. It looks like a ball. It's Pterodactyl. This is a red hot vape. This is a Scotch snake. This is a blaze bison. I'm going to open the Mega Light Up Dino. Okay, the Mega Dino's body. Let's see to the next one. This is some stretch foam. We got another T-Rex, but this time it's bigger. I met a Spinosaurus. I'm going to play with this for a while. The sound feels good. Now I will open the color stained sand. I think this will be pretty nice. This actually feels like real sand. It's like a kinetic sand. It feels so real. The color changing sand is firstly orange, but when you hold it for too long, because your hand is hot, it will change it to yellow. See, that one's orange and this one's yellow. This is so amazing. This is more stickier than the last one. Look, I found the pots. There's so much slime around the pots. I'm going to clean this. That's so cool! I can't believe that it's doing this. I'm gonna add more water for fun. It's not freezing much anymore. I already assembled the Spinosaurus. I will teach you how to light it up. You see that it was here, I took it out. You have to take it out, put it inside over here. That is how to make it glow and light up. This is the last surprise in Zuru Smashers Dino Light Up. This is the first slime. I'm going to pour it inside here. Look, it's actually a real volcano. This is a Dinosaurus. It's a skeleton dinosaur. These are all the Zuru Smashers Dino Light Up. I recommend you to get Zuru Smashers if you are really a slime lover because there are many kinds of slime. And personally, my favorite is the facing lava, the volcano, and I love the baby. It's a baby. And also thank you again, Zuru Smashers, for giving us these toys and for sending these to us. We really appreciate it. I hope you liked the video. Oh, please give it a thumbs up and ring that bell button. Don't forget to subscribe and